Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by deciding which AI capability matters most for your users and why. Pick search, chat, or personalization, then choose an API or an on-prem model that fits cost and latency needs. Once chosen, provision API keys, set environment variables, and secure secrets. While you're doing that, sketch the minimal user flows and map endpoints where AI will integrate so you don't overbuild. Make sure to prioritize one small, testable feature first. Now implement the integration. Write a backend adapter to proxy calls, sanitize inputs, and enforce rate limits so you control costs and security. Design the front-end UX to stream partial replies, show loading states, and offer graceful fallbacks when responses fail. Once done, add telemetry to log latencies, token usage, and user feedback. This data will guide prompt tuning. Make sure to test edge cases and reduce round trips by batching requests where sensible. To finish, launch the feature to a subset of users and collect both metrics and qualitative feedback so you learn fast. Iterate on prompts, safety filters, and caching to improve relevance while lowering cost. Once stable, roll out broadly and continue monitoring. If things go wrong, enable verbose logs, add a circuit breaker to prevent cascading failures, and switch to safe fallback content while you patch the root cause. This prevents bad experiences and keeps users engaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.